Is that all right with you all?
Yeah.
All right, come on, Shirley, Jack. Come on, do your thing. You gotta give us a little bit of free art too now. All right, here we go. Come on, come on, come on. How many of y'all have on this one? I think I know the part right here. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. I said, ain't no party like a Holy Ghost party, cause a Holy Ghost party don't stop. Ain't no party like a Holy Ghost party, cause a Holy Ghost party don't stop. I said, ain't no party like a Holy Ghost party, cause a Holy Ghost party don't stop.
Ain't no party like a Holy Ghost party, cause the Holy Ghost party don't stop.
Now I can see that. People know that was pretty, I can say it. See now. Some said I was dumb, others said I'm sweet now. But only God can trust me, let them come, it's the preach out. Some said I wasn't last the day in the church. Look at me now, every chance I get I'm in church. Ain't no love for a stealing God's voice, I can hear, but let his light shine. So the love to shine through these dirt. Cause like a gospel I've never been before. Make disciples, we got Bibles, we must get on the floor. Turn the gas out, never like never before. This warfare, now